Okay, here is the mixer. There's 1, 2, and you get your channels there. 3, 4, 5 channels. You also get built-in Bluetooth. Of course, you record. Your delay, your repeat. And everything's good. The knobs are all solid, in place. Easy to, they're smooth to move and turn. Nothing sticking. Really nice piece. I got my guitar plugged into it right now. Guitar plugged into it. And I'm going to put some headphones on and get into a little recording with it.